The Malaysia Madani concept, reintroduced by Prime Minister Datuk Seri Anwar Ibrahim, aims to shape a society that is balanced in thought, spiritually and material well-being, grounded in values, ethics and civilizational progress. A practical example of this concept in action is the RHU Beach Resort in Tumpat, Kelantan, formerly known as the Geting Beach Resort. Established in 2015 by Abdul Aziz bin Hamzah, the resort not only offers diverse accommodation and cultural activities, but also demonstrates a strong commitment to community development, even during challenges of the COVID-19 pandemic. To restore its reputation and attract more visitors, the resort underwent a rebranding process and emerged as the RHU Beach Resort. This transformation reflects Madani principle through resilience, innovation and community spirit. Such initiatives align with the inclusive business model under Malaysia Madani, which emphasizes 6 key pillars: strong governance under government oversight, win-win policies between public and private sectors, holistic human capital development, transparent and continuous support, strategic collaboration network, and inclusive recognition of stakeholders such as NGOs and SMEs. Overall, this approach not only contributes to national economic growth but also embodies the core Madani values of sustainability, prosperity, innovation, respect, trust and compassion towards building a competitive, knowledgeable and harmonious society.
Assalamualaikum everyone. I will continue for the next part, which is company management and practice at the RHU Beach Resort. This result demonstrates how traditional management theory can be applied effectively in real business setting to ensure smooth and sustainable operations. First of all, under the scientific management theory by Frederick Taylor, the result focused on maximizing efficiency. For example, it used an online room booking system like Google and Trivago to reduce human error and save time. Besides that, they also use a KPI system to measure staff performance in terms of punctuality and productivity. Secondly, through Henry Fire administrative theory, the results show strong planning and organizing. For instance, it used solar power and recycling program to manage energy and waste responsibly. Thirdly, based on Anton Meyer's human relation theory, the result values employee well-being. It gives bonus during festive season like Deepavali and Christmas to appreciate staff from different backgrounds. And lastly, under system theory, the result operates like a well-connected system. It implements QR feedback system to get instant comment from guests and improve service. It also promotes sustainability by reducing carbon footprint through clean energy and waste control. In conclusion, the RHU Beach Resort successfully apply all this classic management theory while staying innovative and community focused. This makes it not just a resort, but a role model of effective and responsible business management.
Furthermore, there are a few ways on how the management of the RHU Beach Resort implemented 6 principles of Madani in their management. First and foremost, the sustainability concept. They get involved through the energy management, which is aligned with the SDG number 7, affordable and clean energy. Other than that, they get involved through the waste management, which is aligned with the SDG number 12, which is responsible consumption and production. For the prosperity concept, they get involved through the prioritizing local sourcing and collaboration with the supplier and community-based CSR. Both of these elements, both of these points is aligned with the SDG number 8, which is decent works and economic growth. For the innovation concept, they get involved through the online room booking system and also QR code as feedback platform. Both of this point is aligned with the SDG number 9, which is industry, innovation and infrastructure. Other than that, for the respect element, they get involved through the respect and culture resilient and also inclusive workspace. For the trust, they get involved through the data protection and privacy, well structured SOP, and 24 hours monitoring. Last but not least, for the compassion element, they get involved through prioritizing guest safety, employee welfare through KPI systems, and community engagement. Thank you.
Recommendation 1. Sustainability. We recommend that the Rural Beach Resort establish an internal sustainability unit. This team would manage solar energy use, waste separation, and introduce eco programs like beach cleans-up and tree planting. The resort can also adopt green technologies such as rainwater harvesting and motion sensor LED lighting. These efforts support both Malaysia Madani and the global sustainability development goals. 2. Prosperity. To uplift local communities, the resort can expand its CSR efforts and by offering educational and skill-building programs. Example include digital literacy, workshops, and entrepreneurship training for youth. Partnering with local universities like UMK can further promote knowledge sharing and create long-term benefits for the community. 3. Innovation. The resort should create a structured system for collecting innovative ideas. Monthly staff brainstorming sessions and digital suggestion forms using QR codes can encourage creative thinking. By recognizing and rewarding good ideas, the resort will stay competitive and continue improving. 4. Respect. Respect can be reflected in how the resort interacts with both its guests and local communities. Initiatives like cultural awareness programs, collaboration with Orang Asli groups, and promoting local traditions through tourism activities can show appreciation for diversity and heritage. 5. Trust. To build trust among employees and guests, the resort should focus on transparency and inclusivity, allowing staff from all departments to contribute ideas and involving them in decision-making, build a sense of ownership and strengthen internal relationships. 6. Compassion. Lastly, the resort can demonstrate compassion by prioritizing the well-being of a marginalized group. This includes offering fair internship opportunities, supporting local families in need, and ensuring all CSR efforts are inclusive and impactful.
In conclusion, the Rural Beach Resort integrates Malaysia Madani value, sustainability, prosperity, innovation, respect, trust, and compassion into its operation. It adopts green practice, support local business, use digital tools, respect culture and religious norms, and prioritize employer welfare and community outreach. The project highlights how this value enhance business success, customers satisfied, and contribute to nation building. The resort stands as a model of ethical, forward-thinking, and community-driven hospitality.